This recipe is called Café de Olla. It's a traditional Mexican coffee recipe. It's also called as pot coffee recipe, again from Mexico, hence Mexican. The idea is they use a lot of whole spices while making this coffee. It can range from anywhere from cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, even orange in some point. And it's made in a pot, traditionally in an earthen pot. I've seen this recipe so many different places. I was always intrigued because it always reminded me, in a way, how we make a tea in India with a lot of spices. We thought of adding our own custom twist to it and make it in our own coffee garage. Let's see how that goes.
Okay, so in our version of Café de Olla, what we will do is we'll make the coffee using a Moka Pot. So what we've done is filled in hot water so that the coffee doesn't burn per se inside the basket. Anyway, so you filled up this space with the basket with ground coffee, a little finer, I would say, and then you add in the cloves. So basically, I'm just going to add about 4 cloves, and I'm going to add some broken cinnamon, and I'm just going to lightly press this. It's already smelling really good, but we want to get this in the cup. So once you have pressed this, you put it inside the mocha, and then you close on the top. So this beautiful smelling spiced coffee is ready. So once we have that, I'm going to add some spiced milk to it. It has to be a little bit sweeter. So instead of using brown sugar, I'm using a vanilla milkshake. I'm just going to use that and heat this milk up. So you can heat it using a frother, and if you have a machine, you can steam it up. If not, you can just microwave it, and then you can just put it in the French press and plunge it, and you'll get a similar effect. So I'm just going to heat it up with the steam. So all you need to add into this is a piece of cinnamon and light drizzle of cinnamon powder, and your drink is ready. This is our version of the Café de Olla. A very interesting thing about this particular drink is because of this addition of cinnamon spice, clove, and the milk, which is a little sweetened, it kind of feels like a very interesting desi version of mithai coffee. And I would like, trust me, it is not as ridiculous as it sounds. It is so good because it is spiced and it's a bit sweet.